Hello, dear friends. We will be talking about a new topic which is nutrition. Now, what do you mean by nutrition? The process of consuming and utilizing food is called nutrition. So, eating and utilizing the food is called nutrition. There are two modes of nutrition: autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition, and we will talk about it. Now, autotrophic nutrition, the process by which organisms prepare their own food, is called autotrophic nutrition. Now, auto means self and trophic means nourishment or nutrients. With simple inorganic substance, green plants are autotrophic and they make their own food by the process called photosynthesis. So, the process by which they prepare their own food is called photosynthesis. Now, let's to talk about heterotrophic nutrition. In this process, the organism cannot prepare their own food, as they cannot prepare their own food by the inorganic substances, and they are dependent on other organism for food. Now, hetero means other and trophic means nourishment. Now, heterotrophs are of three types: herbivorous, herb means plant, and vorous means eating. So, plant eating animals are called herbivorous. Carnivorous, carni means flesh and vorous means eating. So, flesh eating animals are called carnivorous. Omnivorous, omni means both plants and animals, and vorous means eating. So, both plants and flesh eating animals are called omnivorous. Then let's come on to the next topic, which is photosynthesis. What do you mean by the word photosynthesis? So, the word photosynthesis means the process by which green plants prepare their own food by carbon dioxide, oxygen, chlorophyll, and light. Now, we will be talking about the raw materials for photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide, which is absorbed from the atmosphere. So, the carbon dioxide is absorbed from the atmosphere, from the air, and oxygen too. Water, which is absorbed from the roots by the means of vessels. So, there is a means of vessels from which the water is absorbed. Chlorophyll is present in the leaf. So, chlorophyll is present in the leaf. Light is coming from the sun. Okay. Then let's come on to the next topic, other modes of nutrition. So, there are four types of nutrition: saprophytic, parasitic, then symbiotic, and insectivorous. So, first we will talk about saprophytic. The organism feeding on dead and decaying animal is called saprophyte. For example, mushroom lives on other organism, and it lives on dead and decaying animals and feed from dead and decaying animals. Now, parasite, they live on other organism and feed on other organism. The organism which have to be feeded is called host. They provide special structure called hostoria. Now, the organism which have to be feed is called host, and they provide a special structure to feed the food is called hostoria. Now, there are two types of parasite. Total parasite is an abarbil, and partial parasite is mistletoe. For example, lice. Lice is on our head, and it is an other organism. It lives on us. We are an other organism, and it feeds our blood. Okay, so that blood is called as host, and they takes out a special structure called hostoria. Now, we will talk about symbiotic and insectivorous. Now, symbiotic, the two different organisms living together and both benefiting each other is called symbiotic. So, the two organisms living together and both benefiting each other is called symbiotic. Like, one would be autotrophic and one would be heterotrophic. For example, lichen partners are algal and fungal. Now, algal is an autotrophic, so it provides food material to fungal, and fungal is an heterotrophic, so it provides water, minerals, and shelters to algal. Now, insectivorous, insect eating plants are called insectivorous. For example, pitcher plant and Venus flytrap, etc. So, in this they eat insects. Then, now, nitrogen, they also require nitrogen, and it is provided by the insects. Okay, thank you, friends, and we will meet after.